Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. President of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, SBAJ, Garnet Reid, is encouraging entrepreneurs to take advantage of an upcoming public meeting designed to help small firms access government contracts and improve business cash flow. Business owners attending the session will also be able to sign up for a free business assessment from SBAJ business consultants to identify operational and compliance gaps that may be preventing them from qualifying for government procurement opportunities. The meeting, scheduled for March 26, 2026, is being hosted by the SBAJ in collaboration with the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service and the Public Procurement Commission. The event is being staged as part of activities marking World Sustainable Procurement Day and will focus on preparing Jamaican entrepreneurs to compete for public sector contracts. 3 companies listed on the stock exchange released results in a challenging economic environment. First, Lumber Depot is reporting net profits of 104.2 million Jamaican dollars for the 9 months ending January 31 this year. The company recorded revenues of $1.18 billion over the period, slightly higher than the $1.13 billion reported for the same period last year. Chairman Jeffrey Hall noted that Lumber Depot is also investing in future growth through a 29.3% stake in Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Limited, a supplier of plumbing and hardware products to retail hardware stores across Jamaica. Next up, soap manufacturer and distributor Blue Power Group is reporting a year-to-date profit of $46.5 million for the 9 months ending January 31, despite what the company describes as a challenging third quarter. Blue Power Chairman Jeffrey Hall says the company recorded revenues of 585 million Jamaican dollars over the period, while the third quarter itself resulted in a break-even performance. The company says these products are facing intense price competition from irregular, informal imports. Blue Power also noted that its competitiveness in the low-cost bath soap market has been affected by a 40% duty on key raw materials under the CARICOM Treaty framework. For the trading period of March 17, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Woodcats International Limited with 32,520,188 units, representing 41.99% of market sales activities. NCB Financial Group Limited with 22,281,510 units, representing 28.77% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited shares with 9,781,507 units, representing 12.63% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution, banking, and conglomerate plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for March 17, 2026. Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $158.38 and buying at $156.23. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $4.34 transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.45 and was bought for $114.98. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $1.99 in profits for the bank. The British pound sold for $208.51 and was bought for $210.50. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, a healthy credit profile gives you flexibility when conditions change. It may allow you to refinance high-interest debt, access a line of credit for a business opportunity, finance equipment that increases income, manage temporary cash flow gaps without panic. So in uncertain times, financial flexibility is power. For our funded and focused feature, businesses that scale to 8 figures usually operate through systems rather than people alone. AI, or artificial intelligence, allows founders to design those systems earlier and with fewer employees. So think of the company as 5 engines working together: demand generation, sales conversion, product delivery, operations and finance, strategic intelligence. Each engine can be augmented by AI. And so artificial intelligence simplifies your process. So the goal is not to buy every new tool. The goal is to create a small digital support team that handles repetitive tasks so you can focus on revenue and strategy. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.